My name's Nishant, and this is Brian, and we're the co-founders of Investii. We started by building an app to help young adults make financial progress, and through that journey, found an opportunity to help banks and credit unions improve their mobile experience. Investii is designed to be your customer's financial dashboard. The dashboard is the first screen that appears after logging in, but let's start on the Accounts tab. Transactions and balances will be pulled from your core banking provider, and we even allow external accounts to be connected through our partner, MX, making your financial app the center of your customer's financial life. All accounts are broken out by type, and we show a holistic overview of your customer's net worth. But what makes Investii so unique is the actionability. The blue check mark means money can be moved into that account. So Brian, let's go ahead and pull up a transfer. Transfers can be initiated from checking and savings accounts into checking, savings, investment, and retirement accounts. We've also partnered with a registered investment advisor to provide a robo-product. So for institutions without an investment arm, this offers another potential revenue stream through shared AUM fees. And if you offer advisory services yourself, no problem at all. We can always replace our investment product with yours. Customers can also easily move money into multiple accounts or set recurring transfers by hitting the Advanced button. And while we think all this functionality is pretty cool, the real value of what we're building here is in the data, which we show in the Progress tab. One of the biggest challenges for most banking apps is providing personalized financial guidance. Particularly with young people, all we really care about is understanding where we stand financially and what we can do to improve. So we calculate the ultimate financial wellness metrics to help with that, starting with the safety net. This measures someone's personal runway, or how many months of expenses they can cover without another paycheck. This is much more than a debt-to-income ratio. It's a lifestyle metric. And we calculate this both with cash balances and investments by simply flipping the toggle. Education is a big piece of what we're building at Investii, so we define all metrics and provide guidance to help people understand their financial health and what they can do to improve. The next metric that we show is the personal savings rate, and it's the percentage of monthly income not spent, and in our opinion, it's one of the most important metrics to know. It's the human equivalent of the net profit margin, and it gives you more insight on your customer's ability to repay future loans. We also show cash flow, current month's activity, such as deposits, spending, and even transfers, and also how much has been saved and invested. The spending analysis shows category and time frame breakdowns and allows customization of transactions. So let's say Brian here doesn't want his Netflix to be a bill. He can change it to whatever he wants. But let's go back to the dashboard. So we use the data from the Progress tab to provide savings guidance. Clicking the banner on the top populates a transfer so your customers can move money into your savings and investment products. Working with your customers to set savings plans helps build deeper relationships, which is especially important in a digital-first world. The dashboard also gives a holistic overview of current month spending versus the average, their checking, outstanding credit cards, and net cash balances, change in net worth, and transactions from all connected accounts. But we put an emphasis on goals. Helping your customers set, monitor, and reach their goals is another way to strengthen those relationships and get a better understanding of their future needs. So let's say someone like me, a millennial who's saving for a $25,000 house down payment, we're at least trying to, I can either enter my monthly contribution amount, so go ahead and let's say $500 there, great, I'll have it by October of 2026. Or I can simply tell you when I want to reach it. So let's say 3 years from now. Great, I'll need to save about $500.
That was on me, my bad.
Sorry about that. Okay, about $600, and no problem at all. So now I can auto-schedule those recurring transfers to a savings account or an investment product. And back on the dashboard, you can see those my progress and those monthly contributions until I hit the goal. And this is also a great way for you as the bank to say, okay, Nishant is going to have a house in 3 years. Maybe in about 1.5 years or 2 years, you can approach me for a loan or a mortgage. And on the top left is the customer profile. So this allows easy account management, customer service, managing rewards programs, and a whole lot more. But if you're out there and you are a bank or a credit union, imagine how good this would look with your company logo and colors.
We set out to build a beautiful mobile experience that actually helped people build wealth and healthy savings habits. This app is designed by and for the next generation of consumers who value engaging UI UX, actionable metrics, and personalized guidance. We spent an insane amount of time gathering feedback from young adults on the consumer app and want to take that to smaller institutions to help them attract and retain that demographic. We know there's some infrastructure work and additional features needed to make the white label product market ready, but that gives us an opportunity to work collaboratively with our partners on custom solutions. Because we built this consumer first, that allows smaller institutions to offer an app that their customers want to engage with and will help them make progress, and that is really how you build relationships. Thank you. We'll be downstairs. We'd love to have a conversation.